So pretty much it's like night at the museum. So everybody's completely backwards right now. Katie is doing a third shifter. So I'm doing a third shifter. Then there's Lucy. Oh, let's look at that one. That's a cat that got spaded and neutered. Bless its heart. For no reason. And so what are we doing right now? Wait, let's look at this. I don't understand. I don't think that that's something we need to do. We don't need to rip up the carpet. For goodness sakes. No, nobody's going outside tonight. It's like it's forever in the middle of the night. So we don't do it. I think we need to go to bed. Come on, guys. It's been a long day. You think? What's your thought? What is your thought, Luz? Huh? Wait, let me see your face. Oh, look at that one. That's a beauty. Let me see your face. Ooh, look at that face. Wait. Let's look at it for a second. Wait, that's a little bit close. Oh. Yeah. What are you doing? 'Cause you're silly.